Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to appear offline in Roblox, the updated version. So what you want to do is just open up the Roblox website, click on more on the left side, and then go into settings. Okay, so from here, what we got to do is go into privacy and content maturity. And the first thing that you want to do is click on visibility and private servers. From here, click on visibility and then change this to no one. And also make sure this is toggled off. Allow friends to receive updates. Make sure this is toggled off. Okay, so once you have changed this, go back. Then you want to go back again. And this time we're going to go into communication. So experience chat, change this to no one. Direct chat, change this to no one as well. Go back. Then repeat the same process for party, no one. And then go back. And that's how you do it. That's how you appear offline in Roblox. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.